What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable Google Chrome notifications on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Head down to find Settings and click to open them. On the Settings page, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab in the left side panel. Under Site Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Click on Site Settings and then scroll down to find the Notifications option under Permissions. Click Notifications and then choose the Don't allow sites to send notifications option under Default Behavior to disable Google Chrome notifications completely. However, suppose you only need to block certain sites from sending notifications. In that case, you can also choose to exclusively block them and avoid sending notifications on your Windows PC. Under the Customized Behavior section, click the first Add button to block websites from sending notifications. With this done, you should not get any more Google Chrome notifications on your Windows PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.